YouTube, this is Smriti and welcome back to my channel. I have started Kela It Sciences post-pregnancy program. This program is for the moms who have had cesarean delivery or natural delivery, but this program is totally safe for my C-section moms. So I have written some notes on my booklet from the SWET application about the description which is provided in the application itself. So I am going to read it out for you guys. So please make sure that you have your doctor's clearance to commence exercise. Now about this program. So the main features of this program is that first, it's a low intensity circuit training. It has 2 workouts per week and each workout is of around 15 minutes or so. So the program overview as stated in the SWET application. Now Kela's post-pregnancy supports new mothers to rebuild their strength and fitness after pregnancy and birth. Women can train from home with minimal equipment or at the gym if they prefer. Endorsed by a panel of leading obstetricians and exercise physiologists to gently rebuild strength and confidence. It's a 12-week program with 2 resistance sessions per week, and it has 2 cardio sessions, and those cardio sessions, they should be in the form of low intensity steady state, which means steadily walking at a normal pace for 30 minutes. According to the information provided on kelaitsciences.com, the list cardio session, it helps to burn fat. Now training at a low intensity means that more oxygen is available to your body, as fat needs oxygen in order to be broken down. The more oxygen you can give your body, the more fat you may be able to burn. Now while high intensity steady state, HIIT, it's a great form of cardio for burning stored body fat and calories in short amount of time. But less, it's important addition to your workout routine because it helps your body metabolize fat, something that high intensity training doesn't do. So types of low intensity cardio is, suppose walking steadily at a moderate pace for 30 minutes. We can do swimming, hiking, and steady rowing, steady cycling. So these are the examples of low intensity cardio, and 2 cardio sessions has to be done per week. Any cardio session that we choose, we have to do for 30-35 minutes or so. Now I did a warm-up before starting any of these exercises and a cool down after my session got completed, and I will be mentioning number of sets, number of repetitions on the video itself. So without further ado, let's work out. enjoyed working out with me. I'll recommend subscribing to my channel because I am going to upload Kela It Sciences post-pregnancy program on weekly basis. So take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.